I guess I'm rolling. We'll see. This is Jerry Diamond with How to Get Out of Babylon. They did a cattle drive today. I got in on the tail end of it. They got bunched stuff onto the wrong property. Got spooked. One of the calves, my son had to hog tie one of them, put it in the truck. Another one bolted and went back to the pasture where they were a couple miles away. I just got rigged up to go in the woods and it started raining. I thought there was an oncoming car. So, yeah, there's no lighting to speak of. Let me see here. Oh, there's a little bit of lighting. What are we looking at? I don't even know. Oh, I have my hand over the thing. New camera. Anyway, can't see much. I'm just sitting inside the van, getting ready to go do a search and rescue. Ephraim's Rescuers. A calf is a poor helpless little thing, baby calf, real small. Coyotes are out there, so figure good practice for search and rescue later on when it's human lives we're looking for. So, update you later. This is Jerry Diamond with How to Get Out of Babylon. If you're listening to this, you are the remnant. And since time is irrelevant to the Heavenly Father, please pray for me. My left knee's hurting. Just started to go out as I started to get dressed up. And I hope it'll be alright. I got a tied together shoe sole on a tennis shoe, and I got what I got. I am what I am, and I'm going to go do what I can do. See if I can find this little guy. I'm good at finding things. I found John's billy goat when they, well, six goats bolted when he moved in. So we'll see. Peace and tranquility. Shalom, Shiloh, and Shemitah. Peace and tranquility and uplifting.